With this kit, you're going to be making the Tomahawk Chop logo. If this is your first time creating with us, we want to share a few tips to make this experience a great one. If you haven't yet, visit our techniques videos linked in the description below. For all you first-timers, we sent you some pipe cleaners in your kit specifically to practice with these videos and learn common techniques that will make your piece even better. Regardless of how many times you've done this, you have some extra pipe cleaners in your kit in case you make a mistake. That's completely normal and we've planned for it. The more time and attention you give to your piece, the better it will turn out. So take all the time you need, follow the steps, and above all, have fun learning and advancing in this new art form. Happy twisting! Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is to mold your outside frame. Use the template found in your kit to do this. You can take as much time shaping the outside as you want. The more time you take, the more detail it will have. When you come to the end of the first pipe cleaner, grab a second one. Secure both ends together by twisting a small portion of each end. Now, continue molding your frame. When you finish molding the outside frame, wait to secure it until you have some more support in place. Now, take a new pipe cleaner and secure one part by twisting it on. Make a vertical line and twist to secure. You will have extra, just use scissors to cut it off after it's secured. This is your first vertical piece of the inside frame. Now let's connect the outside frame. Double check your frame to the template. When you like the shape, twist the ends together to secure in place. Trim the excess, and now your outside frame is complete. Add the next vertical inside frame piece by grabbing a new pipe cleaner and repeating the steps from the first vertical frame piece. Add 2 additional vertical supports to the inside frame, one toward the point of the arrowhead and one toward the back. Repeat the steps we've already done for each. Now let's add our first horizontal support to the inside frame. Start at the midpoint of the tail of the arrowhead. Then weave the pipe cleaner over and under each support until you reach the tip of the arrowhead. Wrap it around each support one time in order to make sure it stays where you want it. Secure to the end of the arrowhead and cut off the excess. Now let's add a couple more horizontal supports to the inside frame, following the exact same steps as before. Now let's add one more vertical support to the middle in the area of the biggest gap to make it extra sturdy. Remember to weave over and under on the horizontal supports you now have in place. Now you have the skeleton frame built. There should be 6 vertical supports and 3 horizontal attached to the outside frame, in case you're counting. Now let's make the frame for the letters. Grab your red pipe cleaners and the template page. Mold the red pipe cleaners around the letters as you did with the outside white frame. Don't forget to add a pipe cleaner when you reach the end by twisting the ends together to continue your frame. Follow the template lines. You'll need to attach the frame as you go to complete the outline of the K. You will see it as it overlaps the C here. Once you've finished the letters, make sure they're connected and still fit into the template. Now we can begin filling them in. To do this, simply grab a red pipe cleaner and attach it to the edge of the letter. Start at the top or the bottom of the K, and you're going to be wrapping vertically, working from left to right. You'll fold over the pipe cleaner gently as you go, wrapping once over each edge as you pass by. Continue this to fill in the letter frame. And there you have the letters. Secure a new white pipe cleaner to the bottom of the tail of the arrowhead at the far left. Now, run it vertically to the top and wrap to secure. Do this just for the first time. The rest of the time, you'll just simply be folding over the frame. No need to wrap on the edges. Just lay down the fill gently, adding additional pipe cleaners like we have before throughout as needed. When you reach the point of the arrowhead, simply wrap to secure. You can cut any excess if there is some. Now, it's time to put the finishing touches on and attach the letters. Make the black outline on the letters by securing a black pipe cleaner to a corner of the letters. simply lay the pipe cleaner around the top edge, secure when you get to a turn in order to make sure it stays on. Continue around the letters until it's done. Leave the excess, about 1 to 2 inches, on the back side of the letter from each black pipe cleaner. This will be how you connect the letters to the arrowhead later. Now lay the letters on the arrowhead in the center. Use the excess black to push through the white fill to the back of the arrowhead. Secure by simply creating small circles like knots with a few twists of each black pipe cleaner. This will secure your lettering. Make the black outline for the arrowhead. Do the same thing you did for the letters, connecting as needed to make it secure. Secure the end and cut off any excess. And you're finished! Way to go! Let us know how it went in the comment section and make sure to tag us on Instagram @AscendArtCo with your finished logo. Subscribe to our channel for more pipe cleaner tutorials and let us know what you want to build next. Happy twisting!